The future is closer than we think. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through 20 emerging technologies that will change the world. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence, genetic engineering, and even space exploration redefine what we believe is possible. From artificial general intelligence to nanotechnology and bioprinting, these technologies are revolutionizing how we live, work, and explore. But what does this mean for us? Will we see fully autonomous cities? Will we start mining resources in space? How will genetic engineering impact our health and longevity? Each technology we cover has the potential to transform entire industries. Ever wondered how quantum computing could solve problems beyond human comprehension, or how CRISPR might end genetic diseases? We dive deep into each tech, exploring its history, uses, future potential, and skills needed to master it. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of AGI, the promise of renewable energy innovations, and the possibilities of brain-computer interfaces. We'll take you behind the scenes to show how these breakthroughs are reshaping our world right now and where they could lead us in the years to come. If you're passionate about the future and want to stay ahead of the curve, this video is a must-watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on the latest in tech, science, and emerging innovations. Share this video with friends who are curious about the technologies shaping our tomorrow. Let us know in the comments which technology you're most excited about. First up, we have artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Unlike today's AI, which focuses on specific tasks, AGI aims to match human intelligence by understanding, learning, and adapting across multiple fields. The concept of AGI has been a goal since the earliest days of AI research in the 1950s, but we've only recently started to make significant progress with deep learning and neural networks. AGI has the potential to revolutionize every sector, from personalized education to advanced healthcare. AGI could help create tailored learning experiences, generate new scientific discoveries, and optimize complex systems. Experts believe AGI could eventually surpass human intelligence, but ethical and regulatory challenges remain. Mastering AGI requires deep knowledge in machine learning, neural networks, and reinforcement learning. AGI could change every aspect of society, but responsible development is essential. Quantum computing is another game changer, harnessing the principles of quantum mechanics to solve complex problems that classical computers struggle with. Developed in the 1980s, quantum computing has accelerated with companies like Google and IBM achieving quantum supremacy. It promises breakthroughs in materials science, cryptography, and drug discovery. It can solve complex simulations for chemicals and materials, improve encryption security, and optimize logistics. Quantum computers may become mainstream, revolutionizing industries. Key skills include physics, quantum algorithms, and computer science. Quantum computing could redefine problem-solving in critical areas. Next, let's talk about 5G and future network advancements. These technologies are speeding up data transfer, unlocking potential for remote work, IoT, and autonomous vehicles. Started rolling out in 2019, 5G aims to improve connectivity and reduce latency. Enhanced internet speeds can transform industries like healthcare and transportation. Imagine remote surgeries, smart cities, and VR/AR applications. And guess what? 6G is already in early research, promising even faster speeds. To thrive in this field, key skills include network engineering, telecommunications, and cybersecurity. The key takeaway? 5G connects our devices in real time, making smart environments possible. Blockchain, the technology behind Bitcoin, has far-reaching applications beyond digital currencies. Developed with Bitcoin in 2008, blockchain has since found applications in various sectors. It offers a secure, decentralized way to track and verify transactions. Think about supply chain transparency, digital identity, and secure voting systems. Blockchain may soon become standard in many industries, improving transparency. Key skills for this field include cryptography, coding in Solidity, and understanding decentralized systems. The key takeaway: blockchain could revolutionize security, trust, and transparency in digital interactions. Imagine printing human organs. Bioprinting could one day eliminate transplant waiting lists. Developed in the 2000s, it's already used for skin and cartilage. This technology could save lives by creating organs on demand, picture printing tissues, organs, and medical implants. Researchers are optimistic about printing complex organs like hearts and kidneys. To excel in this field, key skills include biotechnology, 3D printing, and tissue engineering. The key takeaway: bioprinting could transform healthcare by making organ donation a thing of the past. As the world looks for sustainable solutions, renewable energy is more important than ever. Renewable energy sources have existed for decades but are now critical for combating climate change. They are essential for reducing our carbon footprint and fighting climate change. We see these in solar farms, wind energy, biofuels, and more. Looking forward, advancements like solar paint and fusion energy hold promise. Key skills in this field include engineering, environmental science, and energy policy. Renewable energy could help secure a sustainable future. Self-driving cars and drones are set to redefine transportation. In development since the early 2000s, these technologies have been spearheaded by companies like Tesla and Google. They could improve safety and reduce emissions. Autonomous taxis, delivery drones, and transportation fleets are just some of the uses. Widespread adoption could reshape city landscapes and reduce traffic. Key skills include robotics, machine learning, and navigation systems. Autonomous vehicles offer convenience and efficiency, but safety concerns remain. CRISPR is a powerful tool that lets us edit genes, offering the potential to cure genetic diseases. Discovered in the 1990s, CRISPR has gained significant momentum since 2012. It could eliminate genetic disorders and improve food security. Uses include treating genetic diseases, enhancing crop resilience, and studying gene function. In the future, CRISPR could lead to designer genes, raising ethical debates. Key skills are genetics, biotechnology, and ethical reasoning. CRISPR has revolutionary potential, but ethical considerations are paramount. The Internet of Things connects everyday devices, making smart homes and cities possible. First coined in 1999, IoT has grown with smart devices. It enhances convenience, efficiency, and automation in everyday life. You'll find it in smart appliances, connected vehicles, and city infrastructure. And in the future, IoT is expanding into smart everything, from homes to entire cities. Key skills for this field include embedded systems, data analytics, and cybersecurity. The key takeaway: IoT makes our world smarter but brings security challenges. Extended reality, or XR, combines virtual, augmented, and mixed realities to create immersive experiences. It gained popularity in the 2010s with advances in VR and AR. XR is redefining industries from entertainment to healthcare. It's used in training simulations, virtual classrooms, and immersive gaming. Moving forward, XR could integrate more seamlessly into everyday life. Key skills here are XR development, 3D modeling, and user experience design. The key takeaway: XR offers limitless possibilities for engagement and learning. Digital twins are digital replicas of physical systems or processes, allowing for simulations, monitoring, and improvements in real time. First utilized in manufacturing and aerospace, digital twins gained traction in the 2010s. They allow for predictive maintenance, testing new designs, and optimizing performance without physical risks. You'll see them in smart cities, product lifecycle management, and predictive healthcare. In the future, digital twins could be used for everything from city planning to personalized health monitoring. Key skills include data analytics, simulation, IoT, and cloud computing. The key takeaway: digital twins optimize real-world systems, saving time, cost, and resources. Edge computing brings data processing closer to where it's generated, allowing for faster decision-making and lower latency. Developed to overcome the limitations of cloud computing in the 2010s, it reduces latency bandwidth costs and increases data privacy. It's used in autonomous vehicles, industrial automation, and healthcare monitoring. As the Internet of Things grows, edge computing will become critical for real-time applications. Key skills include network infrastructure, IoT, and cloud computing. The key takeaway is that edge computing makes real-time data processing more efficient and effective. Neuromorphic computing mimics the human brain's structure, enabling computers to process information more efficiently. Initiated in the 1980s, it's seen renewed interest due to advancements in artificial intelligence. It could enable low-power, high-efficiency computing, ideal for AI. Neuromorphic computing is used in robotics, cognitive computing, and AI-driven devices. In the future, neuromorphic systems could power next-gen AI, making it more efficient and adaptable. Key skills include computer architecture, neuroscience, and artificial intelligence. The key takeaway is that neuromorphic computing could drive the future of AI, offering efficiency and power savings. Advanced robotics is enhancing automation, making robots more capable of complex tasks and human interactions. Robotics have evolved from simple machines to sophisticated AI-powered systems. This automation is important because it automates labor-intensive tasks, boosts productivity, and enables exploration in extreme environments. It's used in healthcare robots, manufacturing automation, and disaster response. In the future, robots may increasingly assist in everyday tasks and highly specialized fields. Key skills include engineering, programming, AI, and machine learning. The key takeaway is that advanced robotics could reshape labor and expand our reach into new frontiers. Brain-computer interfaces connect the human brain directly to devices, offering revolutionary potential for communication and control. Pioneered in the 1970s, BCIs are now advancing with breakthroughs from companies like Neuralink. They could help individuals with paralysis, improve prosthetics, and eventually enable human-computer symbiosis. Medical prosthetics, virtual communication, and potentially enhancing human cognition are just some of the uses. In the future, BCIs may one day enhance human abilities, but ethical and security issues will be a concern. The key skills needed here include neuroscience, biomedical engineering, and machine learning. The key takeaway is that BCIs offer life-changing potential, especially in assistive technology. Smart materials adapt and change properties in response to environmental conditions, revolutionizing industries from healthcare to construction. First developed in the 1960s, smart materials now see expanded use due to technological advances. They enable innovation in product design, increasing durability and responsiveness. Uses include wearable technology, responsive infrastructure, and adaptive healthcare devices. Looking ahead, smart materials will continue evolving, possibly creating self-repairing structures and adaptive clothing. Key skills required are materials science, chemistry, and engineering. The key takeaway is that smart materials could bring about adaptable, resilient products across industries. Battery technology and energy storage are crucial for sustainable energy, enhancing our ability to store and use renewable resources. Battery technology has evolved rapidly with the rise of renewable energy and electric vehicles. Efficient storage is key to stabilizing renewable energy supply and reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Applications include electric vehicles, home energy storage, and portable devices. In the future, next-gen batteries like solid-state and lithium-sulfur could drastically increase capacity and safety. Key skills in this field include chemistry, engineering, and materials science. The key takeaway is that advanced batteries are critical for a sustainable energy future. Genetic engineering and synthetic biology are reprogramming organisms for healthcare, agriculture, and environmental solutions. Techniques like CRISPR have transformed genetic engineering, opening new possibilities in the 21st century. This could help solve pressing global issues in food, medicine, and ecology. Uses include genetic disease treatment, bioengineered crops, and biofuel production. In the future, synthetic biology may one day create tailored organisms for specific tasks. Key skills in this field include genetics, molecular biology, and biotechnology. The key takeaway here is that genetic engineering offers incredible potential, but ethical considerations are vital. Nanotechnology manipulates matter at an atomic level, allowing us to create materials and devices with incredible precision. Emerging in the 1980s, nanotechnology has found applications in medicine, electronics, and energy. It enables groundbreaking advancements in medicine, electronics, and materials science. Uses include targeted drug delivery, self-cleaning surfaces, and efficient solar cells. As nanotech advances, its applications in medicine and materials are expected to grow significantly. Key skills required are chemistry, physics, and materials science. The key takeaway is that nanotechnology offers powerful applications, especially in medical and environmental fields. Space exploration has entered a new era with commercial spaceflight, asteroid mining, and plans for Mars colonies. Space exploration began in the 1960s, but private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin have revived it in recent years. This expansion of human reach beyond Earth opens new economic opportunities and could lead to planetary colonization. Uses include satellite internet space tourism and potential resource mining. In the future, space travel may become accessible to civilians, and Mars exploration could become a reality. Key skills in this area are aerospace engineering, astrophysics, and robotics. The key takeaway is that space exploration offers humanity new frontiers, and commercial efforts are accelerating its progress. And there you have it, the 20 emerging technologies that are changing the world. From AGI to space exploration, these advancements could redefine our lives. Let us know in the comments which technology excites you the most and why. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into the technologies shaping our future. See you next time on Transform Academy Limited.